National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caddo Parish until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms have formed in the Shreveport-Bossier metropolitan statistical area and is moving southwest at 3 miles per hour. Hazard: heavy rain, baseball-sized hail and lightning strikes. Source: Weather Spotter confirmed. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors. It could cause damage to homes and vehicles. Roads may become blocked by downed trees. Local power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted: Shreveport, Blanchard and Greenwood. Precautionary and preparedness actions: take cover in a low-level interior room without windows. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for Caddo Parish until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a wedge tornado was located in the Greenwood area. Hazard: destructive tornado. Source: Weather Spotter confirmed. Impact: flying debris will be hazardous to those caught outdoors. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and cars will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over the downtown Shreveport area. Precautionary and preparedness actions. To repeat, a large and destructive tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or low-level interior room in a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisiana National Guard in conjunction with the Red Cross. An F5 wedge tornado has leveled the Shreveport area. The tornado had confirmed winds of 190 miles per hour. Damage reports confirmed complete destruction of homes, businesses with concrete structures being ripped from their foundations. Almost all roads and highways throughout Shreveport are blocked by large amounts of debris. Pouring rain is continuing to cause more damage to the area. Do not leave your shelter until crews come to rescue you. Attempting to leave a damaged building may result in injury or death. Rescue workers are on their way to help survivors. Keep in mind that it will take time to get rescued. Severe weather is still possible, so be on the lookout for more tornadoes. This message will repeat.